Hey viewers, hope everyone is doing well. Today I am back again with the topic of Linux CentOS. Uh, Today I am going to show you how you can install static IP to your testing machine which you have configured or installed on the virtual box. We will configure and set static IP using simple steps. So let's just move towards the configuration. I am going to show you how you can assign a static IP to your machine. This is my testing machine with the name machine 03. This is the CentOS OS Linux 8. You simply have to log in using your credentials. If you want to change the name of your machine, I am going to show you how you can do that. You simply have to type nano space forward slash etc forward slash host name. The name you assign here will be assigned to your machine. I am renaming this machine test. We will save this configuration. Now what are the simple steps you can assign static IP to your machine? First you can check the IP address for the machine. Either it is dynamic or either it is static. I am going to configure my static IP on this card address, right? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to move to this directory. Over there we will find this configuration file and we will change the IP address or assign the IP address. Right now the static IP address for this machine is 192.168.99.3. I will assign it to .5 because I have configured the static IP already. So I will find all the configuration in this file, but when you are going to configure the static IP, you have to write these 5 lines in your configuration file. Okay, so I am going to add this. Right, I have already typed device. The address we are assigning the static IP, boot proto static, on boot yes, IP address. I am going to change IP address from 3 to 5 and NETMASK as you can see here. Now you have to um, save these settings and shut down this machine. The next steps you are going to do, you have to go to your virtual machine. This is the machine we are working with. Go to the setting and in the network setting you have to use two adapters. The first adapter will be adapter 1. You have to enable that adapter and you have to attach the net setting to this. The second adapter, you have to enable the network adapter and you will select the host only adapter from this setting and the only option available here. Then you have to press OK. Now we are going to start this machine. These are the simple steps you can follow to assign the static IP to your Linux machine, CentOS machine, which you have configured or you want to configure on which you want to configure. The host name has been changed. Uh, Before the change, the machine name was machine 03. Now we are going to log in this machine using our credential. Now we will type IPA and see. Okay, we have forget the one step. The one step is this: you have to change the IP address in this configuration file as well. Nano space forward slash etc forward slash host. You have to change the IP address and the host name here as well. Now let's see the IP address will be changed or not. Hope it will work now. Okay. Login using your credential. Now check what the mistake we are doing. Let's check again. Let's check the configuration file. Maybe we haven't changed the IP address. Yeah, the mistake was here. We haven't changed the static IP. Now we will reboot the machine. Yeah, now you can see the IP address has been changed. The mistake was in the start that we haven't changed the IP address in the configuration file. Maybe the configuration was not saved at that time. This is how you can change the name and IP address for your Linux testing machine which you have configured or installed on the VirtualBox. Hope you guys understood this very well. Let's check it outside that this IP address is pingable or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Goodbye.